yung mga Pinay, vain talaga tayo when it comes to our hair. We want our hair to be shiny and healthy. Choose Pantene Hair Conditioner. Additional curly formula. Smoother, more nourished hair. It's up to 50% shinier. Kaya, hindi na ako gagamit ng iba. Talagang world's #1 conditioner na. Shine brighter with 20% free conditioner from Pantene. Still at 5 pesos.
From Safeguard comes professional care fortified with our most advanced levels of skin germ fighting ingredient for a shield of resistance against skin germs. Level up. Safeguard Professional Care.
Hindi magmumukha ng binibigay ni Noon, puno naman ng pagmamahal. Selecta fortified milk, puno na ng sustansya, punong-puno pa ng pagmamahal ni Mommy. Love it! Sagada, Selecta.
Nagpuyo na yun.